Prachi, you have also performed in places like ISKCON, Brindavan, and many such places.
Yeah.
What is your experience? Is there any different experience than performing on other places compared to these places?
Of course, I think these are all sacred spaces, right? So when you have ISKCON, when you have Vrindavan, where is the land of the divine? Of course, I always believe that as we sit here, we are blessed. It's not like we don't have the divine presence here. If you truly um, have that calling from within you, the divine grace is everywhere. That's the only reason this is even happening so
Absolutely,
smoothly. So
absolutely.
it starts from there. But yes, certain spaces like temples, like religious temples, religious sacred spaces, have more frequency and more vibrations because that's where probably they hail from. It's वो कहते हैं कि वो उन्हीं की जगह है.
They maintain
वृंदावन.
certain sanity of the
Correct.
place and
Correct.
mantras or
Mantra,
rituals,
everything.
whatever,
A temple
everything.
is a
Yeah,
temple.
yeah.
So I feel the vibrations are much stronger there. And like Vrindavan is a land of Krishna. So naturally Krishna is, probably belonged there. That's the reason it's said to be more secret and pure.
Right.
So yes, it's been amazing experiences. I performed in Vrindavan more than 4-5 times in the main temple, in front of the deity, and I in ISKCON. I cannot even begin to tell you that how it takes me in a different world altogether. I feel I'm not here. I feel I'm somewhere else. That anyway I feel when I'm on stage. I think every artist does. Otherwise, particularly every classical artist does, because I think anything to do with classical music and dance is a direct connection with God. It's a direct connection with the divine grace. But in these spaces that you're talking, definitely, it for me, it's been as if I'm just picked up and transported into their world, where I don't even see the audience. There was no eye contact. I mean, there could be like thousands of people sitting in front of me. I don't even look into their eyes because I feel I'm somewhere else. And that kind of, I have this sudden splurge of energy that comes in me. Sometimes there have been times where I've been unwell and I don't even know how I'm going to pull off this performance. Probably I've had a severe backache, probably I have fever, I have an umpteen number of experiences in my life just before the show, and I feel I don't know how this is going to happen, and it just happens. And there is some energy that comes in you when you're on stage, and then you pull off a 1.5 hour solo, and then you kind of feel, there is that extra blessing that you have
Yes, I'm sure.
as an artist.
Yeah.